Hello and welcome to Finglas Ford, Joe Duffy. Here we have Ford Connect, long wheelbase, base model, 95 brake horsepower, 1.6 TGCI, with a fridge, finished in white, the sliding door on the side, the back, have a look inside. Full fridge unit fitted out. Have a look inside. We have 3 seats as opposed to 2. Also fold down. We have electric windows, fridge unit monitor. We have Bluetooth, radio, 5-speed manual, 12-volt adapter, also a cup holder, handbrakes in the middle, glove box to the corner, also on top, storage on top. For more on this Ford Transit Connect, please contact Finglas Ford or go online at joeduffy.ie. Thank you.